Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you a PDF editor that is 100% free and you can use it totally offline. So let's get started. Simply head over to this webpage from the link given in the video description. Download this software from here, install it, and after installing it you'll get this dashboard. Now let's edit a PDF file. If you go to edit, you can easily add text to your PDF file and you can easily format it as per your requirements. You can change the color and set the fonts as well. Now if you click here, you'll get edit text. Now you can edit any text in your PDF file. The best part here is that it retains the same font you see in the PDF file. Now you can also add image. Click on add image, drag an area where you want to put the image, browse and select your image file, and you can adjust it as per your requirements. You can click on link and add any link in your PDF file. You can also easily add watermarks to your PDF file. Simply type the text here, place the position where you want the watermark to be, make other adjustments, set the opacity level and click on apply, and the watermark will get applied to the PDF file. You can also add signatures. You can draw, type, or you can even import your signature and place it in your PDF file. Now if you go to the convert section, you can easily convert your PDF file to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, image without any hassle. You can also batch process the PDF files. Now if you go to annotate, you can easily highlight the text in your PDF file for easy identification of texts. You can strike off, you can underline, you can also draw in your PDF file. You can also place any shape clicking here. Now you can also add notes clicking here. Simply type the note. You can also attach any file to your PDF file. Now if you go to page, you can insert any blank page in between your PDF file. You can also split the PDF. You can merge. You can even crop. The best part here is that you can change the page wherever you want. Simply click on the page and you can drag it to the right or left and set it as per your preference. If you go to the Protect tab, you can easily encrypt your PDF file. To do that, you must save the changes you made to your PDF file, then add a password. You can also set permission password that allows disabling of printing. So once you set it, no one will be able to print your PDF file without a password. So this sets an extra layer of security. You can also easily decrypt the file using the decrypt function. So this is pretty about JOPDF editor that is 100% free and works totally offline. It also supports cross-platform usage like Windows, Mac and Linux. So no matter which operating system you are using, you can easily use this software without any paying. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned to this channel for more software reviews, Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.